Trading freedom from Mumbai to Maldives with chartless positional trading method. In the busy Mumbai city, there lived a young couple named Raj and Priya. They were both passionate about trading and investing in the stock market. However, their hectic work schedules often left them with little time to enjoy life to the fullest. One day, they came across an interesting concept called chartless positional trading method that promised to revolutionize their approach to trading. Excited by the idea of spending just 5 minutes a day on trading and converting their entire week into a leisurely weekend, Raj and Priya decided to give it a try. They started implementing the chartless positional method religiously as per the daily action plan provided by their mentor, Ujjwal Jatwal. Soon, they are ready to embark on a journey of financial liberation through chartless positional trading by taking a much-needed break to the serene beaches of Goa, a paradise where time seems to slow down. Here, amidst the swaying palm trees and golden sands, they could relax and rejuvenate their minds. From there, they ventured into the picturesque mountains of Himachal Pradesh, exploring the breathtaking landscapes and indulging in thrilling adventures. With the newfound freedom that chartless positional trading method provided them, they were able to trade on the go, without being tied down to a desk. Their next stop was Dubai, where they marveled at the iconic Burj Khalifa and experienced the vibrant culture of the city. They then jetted off to exotic destinations like Thailand and Singapore, immersing themselves in the rich heritage and delicious cuisine of each place. But their journey didn't stop there. Raj and Priya continued to explore the world's most luxurious vacation destinations, including the stunning Santorini in Greece, the luxurious Cabo San Lucas in Mexico, and the picturesque Tuscany in Italy. They comfortably managed the lavish experiences out of their trading profits, from staying in overwater bungalows in Bora Bora to lounging on private beaches in St. Barts. Finally, they found themselves in the enchanting Maldives, known for its pristine beaches and exclusive island resorts. Despite its reputation for being heavy on the pockets, Raj and Priya were able to enjoy their stay without worrying about their finances, thanks to their newfound chartless trading method. As they watched the sunset over the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, Raj and Priya realized that they had truly unlocked the secret to living life to the fullest. With chartless positional trading method, they could enjoy the complete peace of mind while still having plenty of time to explore the world and create unforgettable memories together. And so, their journey continued, filled with adventure, excitement, and endless possibilities. Thanks for watching the video. If you also want to create special memories by enjoying 7 days working as weekend, then please type yes in comment box and hit the like button.